Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Woodspring Suites Orlando International Drive. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a fitness center. Located in Orlando, 2.4 miles from SeaWorld Orlando, Woodspring Suites Orlando International Drive provides accommodation with an outdoor swimming pool, free private parking, a fitness center and a shared lounge. This 2-star hotel offers dry cleaning services. The air-conditioned rooms provide a city view and come with a wardrobe and free Wi-Fi. At the hotel, each room has a desk, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, bed linen and towels. Guest rooms will provide guests with a microwave. Guests will find a 24-hour front desk, a business center and laundry service at the property. SeaWorld's Discovery Cove is 2.7 miles from Woodspring Suites Orlando, while Orange County Convention Center is 4.3 miles away. The nearest airport is Orlando International Airport, 14.3 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.